I have recreated a lot of props from different movies, but I still haven't made anything from what is currently my favorite movie of all time. So, in this video, I'm going to make the bagel from Everything, Everywhere, All at Once. This is going to be a super easy build, so let's get started. If you are making this, you'll need to print out the template, which is on my website, the link is in the description, or you can just draw it out. It's super simple, it's just a bagel shape. I cut this shape out of 10mm foam 3 times. I then glued the 3 rings on top of each other. Then, using a rotary tool, I sanded it down into a rounded bagel shape. Make sure to wear a dust mask while doing this, because it creates a lot of dust that you don't want to breathe in. Next, I sanded it by hand to get it as smooth as possible. I then heat sealed the bagel using a heat gun. This makes the surface smooth and prepares it for paint. To finish sealing it, I coated the whole bagel in Mod Podge. I brushed some more Mod Podge on the top of the bagel, and then for the toppings I used real sesame seeds and poppy seeds. Then, to seal in the toppings and make sure they don't fall off, I brushed on another thin coat of Mod Podge. I then spray painted the bagel black. Then I lightly dry brushed the surface with dark gray to give the prop a little color variation. And finally, after a coat of clear matte spray, the bagel is finished. So, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't already, watch Everything Everywhere All at Once. It's a beautiful film that is ridiculously funny, heartfelt, and sad. It's a must-watch. Or if you want to just continue watching YouTube instead, here's a video that YouTube thinks you'll like. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!